Hola, hello, I am Pepe the King Prono guy.
Oh, that's so f***ing cool. And that's how we completely destroy a power board on a Leader 120. Nice.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today the weather is still pretty bad and I decided I want to give something back to the group. So what I have here today for you is just a little tip and trick if you run into the situation that I ran into. So let's say you have a board and over here, as you can see, the pins are soldered on, and to get one of those off, as you can imagine, it's not easy to get a solder sucker in there. It's not easy to try and do because you can't desolder both of them at the same time. So I had a little situation with an Emax board, and my good friends here at Inch FPV in their support group turned me on to this stuff right here. Maybe you know about it, maybe you don't. It is Solder Wick. It is Solder Wick, and what it does is it pulls the solder off of the board into the wick so that you don't have to try and do those things I mentioned. So in this case, once again, as you can see, if we focus her up, we got solder on those pins that we don't know how to get off. This stuff here, pretty cheap. I'll put a link below. I think $3. All you do is take your soldering iron and the wick and place the wick on the pin, then your soldering iron, and it will, as you can see, focus up, it'll start soaking that solder into the wick. Let's see if I can do this without knocking the camera down. And you just keep this little process up. It can be, you know, again, shaky old man hands, and just the nature of this little itty bitty 20mm board makes life a little difficult. Apply the heat, it'll soak in. And let's see if I got enough. I got couple of those places still. Come on. You can, you know, I would recommend you might even use your tweezers to hold the wick. You can cut off a piece and use it, or you can you know, don't try to hold the wick itself because it does conduct heat and it gets pretty darn hot if you're holding on to it. Alright, so what we end up with is, you know, clean joints that we've been able to pull the solder off of, and our pin piece off the board. You can use this stuff on other things if you want to clean up like your ESCs on a part you removed to put in a bag and put away, like I'm doing with this spare part. But that certainly helped me a ton because I couldn't figure out how I was going to get all those pins off. So maybe some of you know this, maybe some of you don't, but once again, it's called Solder Wick. I'll put some links to it below. As you see here, you know, it's not a ton, but it doesn't cost a lot. And, you know, be generous about using it. You don't have to try to save everything you can. As you can see, all of our solder's now stuck to the wick, but the more you use it, the less effective it is because it's already got solder in it. So, you know, make sure you use what you need as you go. As you can see, I used a bit more than the little strip I'm showing you to get it off. But hope you enjoyed the tip. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and all those good things. Make sure you spread the word, and thank you very much.